Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we are drawing Santa Claus. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper. We're also gonna need markers. These are the colors I'm using. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm using also two color pencils, one white and one pink. And the last thing I want to use is this white pen, but if you don't have this, that's okay. We are just gonna do some details with it. And last one, black marker. Okay, so we're gonna start in the middle of the paper by doing the nose first. The nose is like a letter C that is looking up, just like this. Okay, now the next is gonna be the mustache. So I'm gonna do one each side. So I'm gonna do one to the right, going down, and one to the left. So let's start with the left side, going down and curve a little bit up. Let's do the same on the right side, curve down and going up a little bit at the end. And now let's close the left side. So I'm gonna come from this point over the nose, doing a curve like this. Okay, now let's do the same on the right side. I'm gonna do a curve that goes down a little bit and goes up again. Good. Now the next thing is gonna be the face, and for that I'm just gonna go kind of like halfway this mustache here. I'm gonna do a line that goes up. Halfway this mustache, I'm gonna go up. Okay, the next thing is gonna be the eyes, and I'm doing here two letter N's for the eyes, and I'm going with the marker twice so they look a little thicker. See, he looks happy. Now let's do the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I'm gonna do a little line here in each side of the head, and now we're gonna do rectangles, and these rectangles has the corners kind of like round corners. Okay, let's do one here, and let's do the other one right here. And now I'm just gonna do a line in between the eyebrows to close the head. Okay, so now for the hat, I'm gonna start here and here. We're gonna go up with another curved line, just like that. And now we're gonna pass here with a line that goes down for the hat. We're gonna go around with a curved line that goes up in each side. And the last thing will be close these two, like join them with a curved line. Just like this. There. So now I want to finish the hat by going from this corner to the other side. So I'm going to go from the right here down to the left. Okay, so there's going to be a curved line. Let's go super slow. Go down kind of like the same height that the mustache is. And now here I'm doing a diagonal line. And we're going to close it with a circle, which is the end of the hat. There. Now let's continue with the beard. We're gonna go down with a curved line, kind of like doing curves up and down, and you don't have to do the same as I'm doing. You just can copy a little bit or do your own. And here I'm doing a small smile. Okay, now I want to continue here with the body. We're gonna go curve down on the left side and the same thing on the right side. We're gonna go down. Okay, so we're gonna go down here, and now I'm gonna start doing the arms. So for that, I'm just doing a little curve here, and I'm just gonna continue with a rectangle for the sleeves. These ones are very round corners. This rectangle has very round corners. So I'm gonna do another one here. And now for the hands, I'm gonna do a upside down letter U, and then a backwards letter C. Let's do it again. Upside down letter U, and now a letter C. Good. In the middle, it has the belt. So I'm gonna do here a square, and this square is behind the mittens of the hands. In the middle, it has another square, a little small square. And now we're gonna do a line that goes from here to here, and we're gonna do two more in each corner, one here and one here. And let's do the same thing down. So I'm gonna just follow this 1, 2, and 3. And now let's close them on the bottom, just like this. Now I'm gonna do here a rectangle, and this rectangle is gonna pass a little bit his body going down. Now let's close to the other side. This line is gonna also pass his body and go down. And now I can close these two, just like that. Let's continue with the legs, and here I'm gonna do one kind of like a rectangle shape to the middle. Let's do one more, and we're gonna put a line on the bottom, just leaving a little bit of a space, and this line does not have to be totally straight. And for the boots, we're gonna do 2 big squares, 1 and 2. I'm gonna just put my paper up a little bit so you guys can see. And Santa is finished. Now let's continue with the sack. It's right here, and I'm gonna do it over, kind of like over his waist, and do a letter W. Now let's do a diagonal line that goes down. Now here I'm doing a rectangle and one more rectangle that goes down, and inside we're gonna put little lines. This is a rope that is holding the sack. To finish this, we're gonna do a line that goes down, doing curves. It's kind of like a zigzag line, and it closes here on the boots. There. The last thing is the Christmas tree right here. Let's start with a triangle. Then we're gonna do 2 lines that goes in a little bit. Let's repeat that by doing a bigger shape of a triangle here. Now let's do another curve. We're gonna do one more. We're gonna do here one more, and we're gonna close now here with a line. And now I'm gonna start doing decorations. I'm gonna do ribbons that goes down here, and you can copy what I'm doing, or you can put different decorations, like you can do your decorations as you want. Here I'm just gonna do ribbons that goes down kind of like in a zigzag way. So I'm gonna do one here, and the last one is gonna go to the left, just like this. And now I'm gonna put bubbles. So we're gonna do circles in the middle or between the ribbons. And here I'm gonna do one more, and probably one more right here. And that's it, we've finished. You did such a good job. And if you need to, you can stop the video right here to finish what you're doing. And now, my favorite part, let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next.